Welcome to Freezer Bound Outdoors. We're doing a beer can chicken today because we turned the clocks ahead and it's a beautiful spring day. First we got the chicken. We homegrown, freezer back. I made a little dry rub here, salt, pepper, seasoned salt, paprika, a little paprika. We just dust it across here and rub her in. Get her nice and rubbed in, all over, underneath the wings. Okay, we got the rub all over her. We're going to take her out to the grill and put her on the grill and put the beer in the chicken. So we got the chicken, we got a pan. We're going to put half of the beer in the bottom of the pan, kind of a little more of a smoky. Yeah. The rest is going to go both. Ooh. Alright, I should be able to get it. No? Grab it, get it. Oh yeah, there she goes. Put her down. Make sure that things are going there straight. Stands on, and then we're going to turn her on. Low heat. Alright, we're just going to close her up. We're going to leave her on low and slow for about 45 minutes to an hour. We'll check her around 45 minutes, see if she's golden brown and yummy to eat. Alright, the beer can chicken is up to temperature. We've let it rest for about 10 minutes and we're ready to eat and carve it.
I always take the legs, right, Mom?
You do. You don't like the legs, huh?
Because they're a big part.
You ready for it? That's really hot. Here, let's get you a plate.
I need the table.
Chicken, which one?
What do you want me to get?
I'm good with the moist.
Okay, go ahead. You do moist.
Okay.
Okay, wow.
Take a big bite.
Mom,
Oh, best chicken ever.
This
Beer
chicken is so moist.
What's it taste like?
Chicken?
We got the meats.
welcome to Freezer Bound Outdoors. That's like chicken.